Hello my crafty friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Monica and today I will share my favorite tips for waterproofing the fabric on a finished project using OdiCoat. While I usually recommend coating your fabric before sewing, sometimes you want to add some extra protection to a finished bag or accessory, whether it's something you made or a piece you bought. So let's dive in and I'll show you how to get the best results. First thing first, make sure your workspace is ready. Lay down a protective sheet or a plastic cover to keep things clean. Before you even think about applying the gel, grab a lint roller and give your project a quick once-over. Once the OdiCoat is dry, it's nearly impossible to remove any stray lint or dust. Ask me how I know. Also, make sure to cover any hardware like zippers, buckle or snaps. You can use masking tape or even a cling film to protect these areas. Normally, when I apply OdiCoat to a piece of fabric, I like to use a silicone spatula because it's smooth and it covers large areas quickly. But when working on finished project like this coin pouch, I recommend using a brush. It allows you to be more precise, especially when you are working around seams, zippers, or any detailed areas. When it comes to applying the gel evenly, here is what I recommend. Start by scooping out a small amount of gel. Less is more to begin with. Start at the center of your project and brush the OdiCoat outwards in smooth, even strokes. It's really important to cover the fabric evenly, so take your time and work in small sections. If you need more gel, you can always add it as you go. The goal here is to create a uniform layer that covers the entire surface. If you are working around hardware that you cannot cover, switch to a smaller brush for better control. Carefully apply the gel around those tricky spots so you don't accidentally coat anything you don't want to. Depending on the size and shape of your project, you might need to apply OdiCoat in stages. For my coin pouch, I'm going to coat one side first, then let it dry for about an hour before moving on to the other side. This approach ensures that you get even coverage without making a mess or accidentally smudging the wet gel. Once you are done coating, make sure to wash your workspace and tools immediately, even if you plan to coat the other side in 30 minutes. Trust me, it's much easier to clean up the gel while it is still wet. After you've coated all sides, let the gel dry for about 24 hours before using your accessory. This ensures the coating has fully cured and provides the best protection. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for similar content. See you next time! Stay crafty, friends! Bye!